Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another Fujifilm simulation recipe. This one is called Acros Dark. Before we get into the film simulation and some sample images, I just wanted to thank everybody who is subscribed and following along the channel. We are actually almost at 9,000 subscribers to the channel. It is growing. It's kind of neat to see it grow over the past year, especially. It has really started to blossom. So I thank you to everybody that is following along and subscribing. I love your comments. I love your criticisms. It's great to see everybody here. If you aren't subscribed, obviously subscribe down below. It'd be great to have you follow along. Let's get into the film simulation. This one is Acros Dark. Now this one, I took these pictures on my Fuji X100v. As always, they are JPEG straight out of the camera. This was a recipe that was shared on the Fuji Weekly community site. This is kind of a site that is connected to the Fuji Weekly, and it's recipes that are created by users. This one is created by Marcel. He is out of the Netherlands, I believe. I won't try and pronounce his last name because I will get it wrong. I will leave a link to his website down below. He does share this recipe on his website, but also some other simulations that he has kind of created, and he has got some amazing photos on his website. So make sure you check that out. I will also link down to the Fuji community website so you can check out this recipe, but I'll also have the recipe listed down in the description down below. Now I used my X100v for this one. This is made for the X-Trans4 sensor, so if you have the X-T4, X-G3, you do need the Acros film simulation to do this. But this one was kind of a neat one for the day. It was a dull, overcast morning. I got out and took a walk and really focused on trying to do some close-ups with this black and white on the fall leaves, and it sounds kind of weird to do the fall colors in black and white, but I think it worked quite well. Kind of some of the pictures kind of came across a nice moody kind of look. So let me know what you think and check out these sample photos. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed the Acros Dark filming simulation. I'm looking forward to taking this one out, leaving it saved onto the camera, taking it out to when it's a sunnier day. We get some shadows. I think it would work quite well for street photography if you are have some nice long, kind of those long, those winter shadows, long, dark and light shadows showing up. So give this one a try, load it up on your camera. If you are new to the Fujifilm system, I do have a video. I will link it down below as well, where you can check out how to save these custom film simulations on your camera. And that's all. Thanks everybody. If you're not subscribed, it'd be great to have you along. To everybody that has subscribed, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and we will see you in the next one.